Hello everyone, it's Jessica and today we are in my guest bedroom because I wanted to share with you guys a new dresser slash TV stand that I got for my guest bedroom. I will be replacing this tall armoire that you see here. It's not very practical for watching TV in bed, and for today's video I have partnered with Her.Nest and they kindly sent me over this new dresser that will be the perfect TV stand for my guest bedroom. I will leave the Her.Nest website and the link to this dresser down in the description box in case you are in the market for something like this. So one feature that I really love about this dresser is that it has a built-in outlet right on top as well as two USB ports. So I love that you can style this either as a dresser with a mirror on top, or you can use it as a TV stand like I'm doing now. I also really love the open space that's right underneath the top. It's perfect for your DVD player, or if you have a video game system, it would fit perfectly in here as well. So I have my DVD player on one side and I had an empty space, so I decided to put one of my coffee table books that I was no longer using in the empty space, and it fit perfectly. So here's what it looks like all together so far. I really love the simple, sleek design of this dresser. It's exactly what I was looking for. So now I'm going to share with you everything that's in the drawers. The first drawer that you see here has all of my most used camera equipment inside of it. And down here in the second drawer, I also have more camera equipment. I also have a backup camera in here, as well as a bunch of different little camera accessories that I really don't use that often, but I also don't want to get rid of them. So over on the other side in the top drawer, I have some extra pillow shams and pillow covers for my throw pillows that are on my guest bed. I was running out of room in my linen closet, so this is the perfect space for them. So in the bottom drawer, I have some things that guests can use when they come over. I have a blow dryer in here, as well as a flat iron, and I also have a heating pad in here. So here is a reminder of what the space looked like before I switched out the dresser. As you can see, this tall armoire was way too tall, especially if you were laying in bed watching TV. And here is what the space looks like with the new dresser. I really love the modern design, and I love how it fills out the wall, and it's a much better height for watching TV. I also added a fun light on the other side of the TV, and I also have some strip lighting on the back of that mirror there. And if you're wondering what I did with the old armoire, I made good use of it and I repurposed it inside of my office closet. It fit perfectly in here, and I was able to hide a lot of the junk that was just laying in boxes on the ground. So here is a clip of what the bedroom looks like at night with all of the cool lighting on. And if you're looking for some modern furniture pieces, don't forget to check out the Her.Nest website. They have lots of furniture to choose from, and I will leave their information down below in the description box. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you real soon with a new video.